Well, here it is, the mighty Busa, in my most excellent system of getting it up in the air. Everybody, that coil bar there was bent prior to use here. And I got it strapped down to the Lockhart Phillips paddle type. And we'll be getting on with the engine pull here. My mighty intercooled Turbo Hayabusa. Draining the tank. My Busa's going pee-pee. Nope, got a furnace over there. Haven't hooked it up yet. It's all there. There's an oil tank out back. Yeah, and it's starting to get cold. You can see my breath in here now. My plastics are all up there. Gas tank's off. Starting to get the turbo. Pulling them off. And house is calling. That's to go. Back to the family. Well, there's all the stuff that's coming off of this pig. We got some stuff and more stuff. That's the shiny thing. And we got the stuff that makes the air go in. There's a ram thing, you know, whatchamacallit there. See, next shelf we get some other stuff. The horn. Oh, beep beep. Let's see, what else do we have here? Well, there's a gauge. Oh, gauges. Let's see, there's our stuff. Well, there's an air filter. There's a $1,000 intercooler. Sure. Now, somebody tell me why I should pull that turbo off now, because I'm just not getting it, and it's not happening. Yep. Let's see, what have I done here? Almost there. Baby. So, yeah. This is my baby. She's all discombobulated. I know, I'm pulling it apart anyway, but this is to keep my buddies happy. I tie wrapped, safety wired the throttle bodies right up there, right where they belong. Yeah, beautiful. Let's see. It looks like I'm going to need to make one of those right there. Because I look and I don't have that size. No biggie. No, it'll fit in there too. Well, after looking around a little bit, turns out I do have this tool that goes in there and takes care of this. It's right in there. I made this for some other bike about 1,000,000 years ago. Interesting. Looks like this pig might come out after all. Stuff. We got stuff. Inside stuff. And I don't know what that is. This is rings. Rings. They go in the uppy downy part. Yep. Oh, what a beautiful paint job. Look at that color. How could anyone say this is the most beautiful color ever? So beautiful.